She ain't want no more chicken.
Don't do drugs.
2023, come holla at me.
Shut your lame.
Holla at me. What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today we're gonna keep working on this engine, y'all. I believe what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to button up a lot of the different seals, like the cam seals. Also, we're probably gonna go ahead and put on all the water pump, all the water necks, all that good stuff. Huh?
Why you watch?
What? I'm not watching anything. I'm making a video. Can you say hey to everybody?
Hi.
All right, y'all. I ain't gonna waste too much time. We're gonna get into it, and let's make this thing happen. 2023, let's do it. Alright, guys, oh man, I was looking at the mic, but looks like we're making progress. But I did change out the seals on the cam, so I went on and knocked that out. You know, I cleaned all the surfaces off. You know, everything looking ashy now, but it is not full of grease and grime, so I can see if there's any other leaks that come up. Cross our fingers. Hopefully it doesn't, but yeah, let's keep on trucking, man. I think next what I end up doing, I hit that water pump up, and we'll see what we do next, y'all. Stay tuned.
perfect.
Yeah, we finally getting some of these things on, man. I got one side of the timing gear on. It's not that hard. I thought it was gonna be harder. Just putting the puzzle back together. The hard part is making sure I get that timing belt on correctly and timed. We're just gonna pray to the mighty Lord for that. But right now, we just making progress, man. I'm gonna go to the other side, put the other timing gears on, and then just keep pushing, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'm not gonna talk much. Gonna do a lot of work. I know I usually do some crazy funny stuff in between here and there. You know what I'm saying? But today, I'm focused, y'all. Gotta get this done, y'all. Gotta get this done. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we got both sides on. Making some good progress. Making myself feel good, man. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and torque the top timing gears. Go ahead and torque these down. These probably ain't going to be too much. But I think these are like 95 to 90. Knock those. And then I just knock those out. And then what we'll do is, I believe, put this, the main crank gear on, water pump. Shoot, I think we'll be done for the day, y'all. Hopefully we'll get to the water pump. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm feeling good now. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we'll go ahead and get this done. All right, let's go.
Later.
All right, guys, it is day 2. We are going to go ahead and put on the water pump, as you can see. Also, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this gasket on here. I did order it from Z1, and it did come with a gasket in here also. But I see everybody just putting the gray RTV. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do it, man. The other water pump had it on there, it wasn't leaking. So what I'm gonna do is just put a thin film on here, and then we'll just place it on here, and then we'll let it tack up, and then we'll slap it on there. Then we'll be able to put on the timing belt. At least we're making a little progress, y'all. It's not just leaps and bounds, but we are making progress. I think that's it. Don't go nowhere. Oh, that's so weird, bro. I'm sorry. Woo! Man. I don't see if y'all. No,
Hi.
Tay, don't turn on that music, man. I don't know if y'all saw it, man, but this side over here was kind of fighting me a little bit. Uh-oh.
Go take a picture to take a picture.
But I got all the lines lined up, you know, with the sprocket. As you can see. I mean, I can take these off now. Got that one lined up. And also I got the, watch out, buddy. Also got the crank sprocket down here lined up, as y'all can see. So I guess I can take all this stuff off. And I think I have to check the preload on this right here on the tensioner. I believe it's supposed to be between 3 to 5 inches, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I guess I'm gotta crank it over a couple times just to make sure it ain't nothing binding up, and then I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. Stay tuned. You don't know what's gonna happen, y'all.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, I think that's all we're gonna have for today. Got some other things to try to tighten up. I'm gonna do that today, but I'm gonna try to split up the videos so I can give y'all more content. Don't want to put everything in this video. I think I did quite a bit, you know, in this video compared to my other videos. Got the timing belt on, got the tensioner on, got all the pulleys, cranks, all that kind of stuff all torqued down. I still got to make sure I adjust this tensioner. I think this is too tight. Yeah, it's definitely too tight, man. That thing got super tight. We're gonna figure that out. I'm gonna do that off camera. It's ways that you have to loosen the tensioner and all that kind of stuff to properly put the right tension on the belt. So I'm gonna keep playing with it, see what I can do. Hopefully I don't break it off, because that's an expensive piece. So I'm gonna try my best not to break it. Y'all pray for your boy. So I think that's it for today. Thank y'all for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you got any comments, go down in the comment section. Let me know what you think I did wrong today. Definitely, I am open to suggestions. Just be nice. Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all. Thank you.